Sausage! Bloody hell! Then coming in smelling like a multi-storey car park lift that's been pissed in, isn't it? Okie dokie then, I'm just gonna walk in front. What a sausage.
Stage directions. Yeah. So
get some lights on your car. What's up with these sausages like? Bloody pitch black. You absolute sausage. See that look as well he gave me? God, bet it. Nice indication, you sausage. You sizzling sausage. What the hell are you just sitting parking there for like that? Unbelievable, like. That's it, block the yellow box again, stop me from getting through. Oh, that's great, isn't it? Lovely. Sausage. Yeah. I can never understand, you know, it's not hard to wait until the green man's on, is it? Sausages.